Driving is a skill that requires attention, responsibility, and patience. But let's be honest, not everyone is a good driver. Some people may think they are experts behind the wheel, but their habits say otherwise. Are you one of them? In this article, we'll explore 5 warning signs that indicate you might not be as good a driver as you think. 1. You get honked at a lot. If you frequently hear angry honks from other drivers, it's a sign that you're making mistakes on the road. Maybe you're driving too slowly, cutting people off, or not using your turn signals. Fix it. Stay aware of traffic flow, use your indicators, and follow the rules of the road. 2. You struggle with parking. Do you often take multiple attempts to park? Do you leave your car awkwardly positioned? Parallel parking and reversing into tight spots are essential driving skills. Fix it. Practice parking in empty lots before attempting it in busy areas. 3. You brake too hard or accelerate suddenly. If passengers in your car are constantly jolted forward or backward, it means you're not driving smoothly. Harsh braking and sudden acceleration can be dangerous and bad for your car. Fix it. Keep a safe distance from other vehicles and anticipate stops in advance. 4. You ignore road signs and signals. Missing a stop sign, running a red light, or failing to yield the right-of-way can lead to accidents. Even small mistakes like ignoring speed limits can be dangerous. Fix it. Always pay attention to road signs and signals. They exist for a reason. 5. You get easily distracted. Texting, eating, adjusting the radio, or talking too much while driving can reduce your reaction time. If you often get distracted, you're putting yourself and others at risk. Fix it. Keep your focus on the road. Your phone and snacks can wait. A final thoughts. If you recognized yourself in any of these signs, don't worry. There's always room for improvement. Becoming a better driver takes time, patience, and practice. Did you find this article helpful? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful driving tips.